साला अंदर ही और
Ignore the Corvette flag with the Cobra right there. Probably not taking the Cobra today, although we are taking the ZR1 and Love's M3 out. As much as I want to take this car, it's going to be hard to record all three cars, and it's hella windy today. ZR1 parked right there. But today's video, honestly, is not about the ZR1. We are taking the ZR1, but it's not the ZR1 type of day. I did want to take the Cobra, but we'll probably do that this coming week. The Cobra is starting to drop a little bit of voltage too, so I want to get a new alternator on here and then start taking it out again. I'm gonna have Love drive the ZR1 today, and I'll probably be sitting in the passenger seat of this car trying to record the M3. We're gonna have my boy TJ drive the M3. But yeah, got the camera and everything. And man, I always forget how fucking nasty this thing is. Man, finally about to make some content, man. Now we just got the POV of the Beamer driving. Looks hella good. I think we're getting the hang of this. Tiga, huh?
God, holy shit. Wait, bro, fuck. Horny ass motherfucker.
On three.
On three, yeah, wait. Salah canı da deve de prizerden. डर आ गया? Hey, were you spooked? Did you get it on yours?
Yeah, I got both. I'm waiting for him to see if he comes back. I mean, when he comes back.
No bullshit.
I think we got all the footage we needed for today. Probably just gonna go back, grab a bite, edit this video, throw it on. You know, the Cobra would have been hella fun on this road. Because it's hella slow. It's hard to fuck up. Alright, y'all. We are back home. It's been a solid, 3 hours we've been out. About to check all the footage. Hopefully everything came out good. And I could throw a nice video together. And hopefully it does good. And hopefully your boy stays consistent, man. But thank you guys for watching as always. If you did, that like. like, subscribe if you aren't already. Yeah, man, just steady, one day at a time. Let's get back at one day at a time.